What is jailbreaking an Xbox 360 using USB?
Hey there, gamers! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a popular topic among Xbox 360 enthusiasts: jailbreaking your Xbox 360 using a USB. If you've ever wondered what jailbreaking entails and how it can potentially enhance your gaming experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
What is jailbreaking?
To begin with, let's clarify what jailbreaking actually means. Jailbreaking refers to the process of modifying your Xbox 360 console's firmware to gain unauthorized access to its operating system, allowing you to run unofficial or third-party software, applications, and games that are not officially supported by Microsoft. It essentially removes the limitations imposed by the console's manufacturer.
Benefits and risks of jailbreaking.
Benefits of jailbreaking. One of the main advantages of jailbreaking your Xbox 360 is the ability to install and play unofficial games and applications that are not available through the official Xbox Live Marketplace. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities and allows you to explore a wider range of games and experiences. Another benefit is the ability to customize your console's interface, themes, and even game modifications. You can also run homebrew software, which includes emulators, media players, and various utilities developed by the gaming community. Risks of jailbreaking. However, it's important to note that jailbreaking your Xbox 360 comes with some inherent risks. One of the major risks is the potential to void your console's warranty. Since jailbreaking involves making unauthorized modifications to the system, Microsoft has the right to refuse warranty service if they determine that your console has been tampered with. Moreover, jailbreaking can expose your console to security vulnerabilities. By bypassing the built-in security measures, you may inadvertently expose your Xbox 360 to malicious software or unauthorized access, compromising your personal information or even the integrity of your console.
Jailbreaking via USB.
The USB method. Now, let's talk about the process of jailbreaking your Xbox 360 using a USB. This method typically involves downloading and installing custom firmware onto a USB drive, which is then used to modify the console's firmware. To start, you'll need to find a trusted source for the custom firmware, as downloading from unofficial or unverified sources can be risky. Once you have the firmware file, follow these steps. 1. Format a USB drive to the FAT32 file system. 2. Create a new folder on the USB drive and name it Xbox 360 inches, without quotes. 3. Inside the Xbox 360 folder, create another folder called Update, without quotes. 4. Copy the downloaded custom firmware file into the Update folder on the USB drive. 5. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Installing the custom firmware with the USB drive prepared, you're now ready to install the custom firmware on your Xbox 360. Follow these steps. 1. Power off your Xbox 360 console. 2. Insert the USB drive into one of the available USB ports on your console. 3. Power on your Xbox 360 while holding the sync button on the console. 4. The console will detect the USB drive and prompt you to update the system software. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. 6. Once the update is finished, your Xbox 360 will restart with the new custom firmware installed. Congratulations! You've now learned about jailbreaking an Xbox 360 using a USB. While jailbreaking can offer additional functionalities and customization options, it's essential